Namaste to one and all present here. I am Kaushik, starting in 3rd standard. The thought for the day: if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If the health is lost, something is lost. If the character is lost, if the character is lost, everything is lost. I repeat: if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If the health is lost, something is lost. If the character is lost, everything.
I am Akash T of class 10 here to talk on the topic attitude. Attitude is the way of life. The only difference between a good and a bad day is your attitude. But let me warn you, we cannot change our past, nor we cannot change the way certain people think, nor we cannot change what is expectable. But definitely we can change one thing to deal situation better is our attitude. Attitude determines outcome. This truth is accepted by most of the successful people in the world. Whether it's a surgeon going for his surgery or a businessman launching his new venture, it is the attitude that provides the winning edge. Attitude can make a difference between an amazing life and a nonsense one. Therefore, a lot of people should try changing their attitude to a positive one. Attitude is the way how we behave and react to the daily activities. Consequently, attitude affects our life in a deep way, such as how we think, socialize, our health is. These all aspects might be affected due to positive attitude. Now let me tell you my opinion on attitude. For me, attitude is more important than any other important things in the world, such as money, education, past, etc. I am strongly convinced that my life is only 10% of what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. Now friends, let me give you few tips on how to have a positive attitude. Firstly, have an attitude of gratitude. Secondly, stay away from negative influences. Thirdly, start your day with a positive thought. And finally, have a positive mind. Friends, I know you would love to hear stories. Now is a story for you about a boy who had a bad temper. Once there was a boy who had a bad temper. So his father, full of nails, and told him that each time you lost your anger, you should hammer a nail into the fence. The first day, the boy had hammered 37 nails in the fence. As the days passed, he learned to control his anger, and finally, a day came he was totally able to control his anger. The boy told his father about this. His father suggested him that each time he was able to hold his anger, he should pluck out a nail from the fence. The boy did as such the father told, and finally, a day came there were no nails on the fence. The boy was so happy and told his father about this. His father took his hand and went near the fence and told, "Son, you have done well, but look at the fence. There are so many holes on it. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar such like this. Take a knife, put it in a man and draw it out. It doesn't matter how much time you say sorry to him, the wound is still there. But listen, the verbal wound is as bad as the physical one." Friends, I know you would have enjoyed the story, but let me tell you a quote given by our national leader, Mahatma Gandhi. "Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts becomes your words. Keep your words positive because your words becomes your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits becomes your values. Keep your values positive because your values becomes your destiny." Friends, a positive attitude man will have more friends, more job, good health, no stress. But a person with a negative attitude will have no friends, no job, no high stress levels, ill health, bitterness, etc. So you choose, you want to be a person with a positive attitude or a person with negative attitude. Thank you.